Hey, what's going on? This is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about why should you choose the Power Lead system. Power Lead system is a way of growing your business, starting a business, and it's a way to earn residual income on a weekly basis. Every Wednesday, you will have the opportunity to make residual income right from home. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and you know who this is. This is Adam Shelton, and I'm going to show you and tell you why should you join the Power Lead system. But first, before I dive in, I'm going to go ahead and log into the system right here, right in front of you. So when you sign up for the system, you'll be issued a username and a password. So you go ahead and click on log in. Now, why should you choose this? Well, the Power Lead system is one of those systems. So if you're a newbie or a beginner, I know you've been kind of just thinking about online business, or if you're a beginner, or even if you're an expert online marketing business owner, the Power Lead system is very easy to understand. It's very easy to adapt to the fundamentals of the teaching and the training. Now, the biggest problem I see really on online marketers and business owners existing and beginning, it's not really easy to understand, and you got to be tech savvy. You got to have all these different strategy in the beginning, and so you lose out on the simplicity of it, the simple mechanism of a system where it's going to give you some type of success. So right in the Power Lead system, all you do really is you get started. Now you ask me, what is the Power Lead system? Well, Power Lead system is really an online digital marketing business platform that teaches you how to grow online business. Now you can utilize the system to go ahead and make income for you and from home. But if you have another primary business, so if you're like basically, if you sell Amazon products, if you sell eBay products, if you sell different products, you can utilize this system to go ahead and leverage those areas. Now, when you first get started, you get started. That's what I like about this system. It's really easy to understand. And so right below this video, I do have a link, my recommendation to making money online. Underneath that, you click on that link and you go ahead and get started. You'll sign up and you'll get started, and then you'll log into this systems here. When you log into the system here, you'll click on get started. That's it. Get started, the easy button, all that jazz. Then is the easy button right here. Easy button says start here. That's all you do. That's all you do. Don't worry about everything else. Do not worry about, all the different tabs at the top here. Just worry about that. That's it. So when you first do, I want you to first do, click here. Watch this getting started video. It's a short video that gets you in the mindset of what the Power Lead system does and what it can do to benefit you. Watch that video. So when you play this video, it's about 12 minutes long. But you want to watch the video because it really teaches you and show you. So I'm just going to go through a little bit about it. And how to learn how to build things that is your own. It's very exciting. It's a very exciting system. It's really easy to really understand. After that, you want to join the Facebook group. Now, this Facebook group is a good community group where you can post questions there, and the members of the Power Lead system will be able to see those and go ahead and answer some of those questions. Or you know what? If you're brand new, just go ahead and say, I'm brand new to the Power Lead system. I'm happy to be here. Something positive. Somebody's going to reach out and say, welcome, or somebody's going to say, you got this, or somebody's going to give you some type of encouragement, especially if you're new. The biggest thing when you're new is you need support. It's nice to get that support. I understand when you first start out, and I'm talking about a little about the problems, but I got the solution for those problems is when you first get started out, you need some type of belief system that you feel like you're doing the right thing. Trust me, I've been there. And you are in the right thing. You're in the right channel. You're in the right place at the right time, in the right position right now. So click on here and introduce yourself, where you're from, and what are your goals. So right here is a choose link below to advertise A or B. When you watch this video here, that's going to help you determine that as well. And it's pretty much if you have a primary business. So if you're advertising something else, you want to go ahead and put a link right there. So whatever your link is, you put right here. Now, if you don't have another business that you're promoting to, you want to go right here. You want to click though right here, and you'll go through those steps as well. So that's the Power Lead system in a nutshell. I just want to go through a few things about it. The biggest problem I see on online marketers, beginning marketers, is that finding a system they understand, they can leverage, they have an opportunity to make residual income on a weekly basis. The Power Lead system is there for you. Click on the link below this video. Recommendation to making money online. You click on that link and you go ahead and sign up. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video and to this channel, because every day we upload videos to help you. Now, see you in the next video. I can't wait. This is Adam Shelton signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.